Today is November 20th, 2010, and today was a significant day for me because I was able to prove a theory utilizing my nephew Rhys, who I was asked to watch today on behalf of their mother Lindsay and her husband David, who were unable to watch him today. Now, all I was supposed to do, the instructions were, is, keep him comfortable, change his diapers when he was wet, feed him, burp him after I fed him, and to just sort of be around if he should need anything. Well, one of the things that happened was that during the initial time that I had with him, I noticed that the kid really didn't do anything. He just laid there, cried a whole lot, and these crying things were supposed to indicate to me exactly what he wanted. But to me, the cries were all the same. And I thought to myself, yes, I know the kid is only 1 month old, but does that mean that he cannot speak, communicate, or otherwise tell me what it is that he wants? So what I did is I engaged in a study of sorts by which I was trying to teach him how to communicate to me orally so that I can, if he wanted a bottle, he can just say, I want a bottle. If he wanted to be burped, he can say, I want a burp. If he's crying because he has a poop in his diaper or something like that, he can say, hey, I have a poop in my diaper, can you change it? One of the things that was quite remarkable, though, in just an afternoon's time is when this kid arrived here, again, he was just like a log. He was no better than a log, but he did make noises and that type of thing. So I guess maybe a little better than a log, but really not much. And not only was I able to teach him how to communicate the way I'm communicating with you guys now, but in fact I was able to teach him remarkably other things, mathematical formulas, solving problems that I presented to him, scientific formulas he was able to understand. And I think that if people follow my methods, they'll find that they don't need to really guess what it is that a person wants, even though they're only 1 month old. One of the things that I thought when I was going through the methodology that I developed for Rhys was that I would do this video in 2 parts. And the first part would show you exactly how I taught him to do these mathematical problems and to speak English and that type of things. But as I further considered it, a lot of people might find my teaching methods to be a little bit unethical and maybe even abusive, and maybe even the type of stuff that you might call child services to investigate. And that's not really the purpose of this video. So what I thought instead was to just go right to the second part. And during that second part, I'll show you guys the results. And I think that you'll see that once you see the results first, in the subsequent video, what I'll do then is I'll show you how I had these results obtained. Here's Rhys now. As you can see, he's just kind of lying there like a log, like I described, and really not doing all that much of anything. Here's what I'm going to show you now that you've seen him, what he looks like as a log. Here is what I'm going to show you where, after I use my techniques, how he developed into something other than a log. Hello. Hello. Rhys, what is 2 times 2? 4. What is 4 times 4?
16. Hey, don't you see I'm hungry here? Give me my bottle right away. Guess what? I got a poop in my diaper. Please change me because I got poop in my diaper. You're the best. Hey, Uncle Brett, I wish I could always hang out with you. You're so much fun. I'm gonna go so crazy right now. Hey, Uncle Brett, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy, Uncle Brett. Uncle Brett, Uncle Brett, I'm crazy. Uncle Brett, I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy. I'm crazy for Uncle Brett. Hey, I'm crazy, I love Uncle Brett. I'm so crazy for Uncle Brett, who taught me how to talk. Gesundheit.